She's not cold. It's all in her imagination.
Say that, but you don't understand.
You know what? It's from what's that show? Willy Wonka. Better live alone. Imagination. Now there's going to be another song stuck in my head. Ah, yeah. World imagination.
That's the Willy Wonka. What song are you talking about? Yeah, it's the classic Willy Wonka. Nothing.
Gosh, you've never seen Willy Wonka
The original judge
with Gene Wilder?
She hasn't seen it.
Oh yeah.
She's seen Johnny Depp, but not the original one. Yeah, that was funny.
Oh my gosh.
I like the original one. I like the little.
Yes. Although, but here's the thing. Well, but can we just say the original Willy Wonka that the grandparents were just trifling? And why are 8 people sleeping in one bed? Yes.
He could magically dance and jump. You have to hold this bucket, you watch them float.
Yes. I'm just like, no.
Are you talking about this one? Yeah,
Yes, the one with Gene Wilder.
she has never seen that one. She's only seen Johnny Depp.
All right, so let me just tell you, not seeing Willy Wonka with Gene Wilder is right up there with not seeing Saturday the 14th.
So she has to get replaced now, right?
No, we can't replace her.
This place.
I'm like, because I haven't seen either one.
Well, that's what you'll spend the weekend. Watch Saturday the 14th. Okay, you know, last night it rained. Did you all get any rain?
Oh, no. Oh, you came out of the movie with Graham.
Which one did you see?
We saw Billy Madison.
Ah, yes.
Like, every month they have a free movie for members. And I was like,
Oh, that is so awesome. Well, we're going to end up seeing here Grease 2 because some people have not seen it. You've got to see it.
if you were actually word for Halloween.
No, you know what you know what I love to watch during Halloween? What was the name of that movie? Critters. Have you ever? Oh my gosh, you never seen Critters?
It's a Timu Gremlins.
Oh, okay.
I mean, Critters was great. Oh, do you have the dismissal for me?
Judge, I think we're checking to see if they've taken the plea.
Ah, okay.
Gremlins is a Christmas movie.
And that one is a
Every
Christmas
100% it's a Christmas movie.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Now, here's the
Yeah.
debate. Is Die Hard a Christmas movie? And what makes Die Hard a Christmas movie?
And it's Christmas.
It happening.
Okay.
Now I have 2 guns.
Now I have a machine gun. Ho, ho, ho.
Well, there are other movies that come on during Christmas. It doesn't make it a Christmas movie.
Those are all.
That happen at Christmas.
It happens at Christmas. Christmas.
The Christmas movie.
It's the law, Judge.
I don't know about that.
Wait, Brandon, are you talking about Mike?
Batman Forever, Christmas movie.
Oh.
Well, you know, they're having a Violent Night 2 coming out.
Of course they are.
So with Santa Claus handling business. Where are the good Christmas movies for children? I will tell you though, I watched Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer when I was a child. Now, mind you,
Stop motion one?
yes, but as a child, I saw it for what it was, the same as I saw Wizard of Oz with Judy Garland for what it was. I saw betrayal. I saw treachery. And I always said this to my mom with Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. I said, Mom, I'm seeing Santa in a different light because Santa knew how they were treating Rudolph and they were bullying him. If I would have been Rudolph's parents, I would have said, no, none of these children are getting gifts until we get things straight, and we need to get it in writing.
Kids need to learn that Santa
Yeah.
only values them for their ability to hand.
Exactly.
That's true. Because did you ever see A Christmas Without a Santa? Yeah. Did you ever see A Christmas Without a Santa?
No, I didn't.
It's this mouse, right? He's very scientific. really doesn't believe in Santa. And so the town people started getting news, like all their letters to Santa were being returned because this mouse had wrote this letter to Santa. And so then, of course, no scraps on the table. So they decide they're going to make a clock welcoming Santa as he flies over. He'll be able to hear it. The song was Santa, We Need You Today, right? So the mouse ends up destroying the clock and his father finds out about it. He's like, why would you do this? He's like, I'm so sorry. And so they have to repair the clock and Santa is going over. And just as Santa is leaving, the clock starts playing that song and he comes back and starts bringing gifts to everybody. Yeah. Every stop motion. Yeah. Put one foot in the front of the other and soon you'll be walking out the door.
Brandon, I told Judge, 2 years ago, Emmett Otter's Jug Band Christmas.
I loved Emmett Otter Jugs Band Christmas.
Emmett Otter?
I have.
It's a Muppets movie.
That one's.
Yeah.
That one's a classic.
Good morning. How's it going?
It's going good.
Oh gosh, yeah, you need to watch Emmett Otter's Jug Band Christmas. It's sad. It doesn't end the way you think it would end. Yes.
So you're wearing it. Yes.
The family's in dire straits when the upbeat song is At Least There's No Hole in the Wash Tub.
I move for ticket.
Sure. Oh, you can put him at the table if you want.
No, it's, you want Mr. Ticket at the table?
Oh, yeah, you can put him there. Deputies, do you mind if he sits there? Yeah.
Yeah, we're good. Thank you. Okay, I'll go by the turn. Of course. Thank you.
Judge, we have a resolution.
All right. All right. Are y'all doing this for further investigation or the fact that he entered a plea somewhere else?
He did enter a plea somewhere else, but we are doing this separate from that plea.
Ah, okay. All right. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Did I?
I just want to make sure there's no objections to the dismissal.
No, that's the way it is, the way it was intended.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
One thing I did catch from Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer when I watched it when I was young,
Mhm.
but then when Rudolph runs off and the mom is like, no, I'm gonna go find him. And he's like, no, this is man's work. I'm like, watching that as an adult, I'm like, hey, that's not cool.
Oh, and then you know what
That's not cool.
And
Like,
you
you
know-
don't catch that as a kid.
Oh, you know what else people didn't catch as a child?
Hmm.
With Bambi, Bambi's father only stepped in after his mom died. He didn't do anything. He would just stand on the mountaintop. And then when Bambi ends up getting married and having a child, he ends up just like his father, not participating in the race, just standing.
I could have lived the rest of my days not knowing that.
I'm
And now
sorry.
like it was, wow.
That's illuminating right there.
I ended up watching documentary on animals in the wild. I love watching it in case, you end up in a forest somewhere, you'll know how not to get killed. But like, for example, don't go up and pet a moose.
No.
Tell the people
Yeah.
in the park who are always doing that. And I'm always saying, don't kill the moose. Don't kill the bison because they're just doing what they do.
Good luck trying.
Yeah, because like they're always saying, oh my gosh, the sharks are odd. Okay, thank you. But what I learned is, lion, king of the jungle, right? Lion really doesn't hunt for the food. The female does. And I remember watching this documentary. The lioness went down, tracked down this food, brought it back, and all the cubs were there. And this is what I love about the lioness. And it's too bad humans don't do this. The lion comes in and the lion is just trying to eat everything. They bagged him off and like, excuse me, people are going to eat first are the children. And then you can eat what's left over.
Yeah, it's like
So I'm like,
greedy king of the jungle.
yeah, I'm like, way to go, lion. But I think it's so sad that if a lion dies, the lion that comes in kills all the cubs.
Oh, yeah. They're on his, there's.
Yes.
He's got to perpetuate his line.
Mhm.
or his
And
check.
then with gorillas, what they do is when the males get a certain age, they kick them out of the nest with great force. Because they're like, there can only be one man in this household.
This courtroom just took an unexpected turn. The judge's take on Rudolph sounds funny, but under US law, bullying and discrimination can carry real consequences. Do you agree? Viewers may laugh, then rethink the message.
Right. Like that, put it on the shoulder. Oh, yeah, we had stuff like, they're probably because the sea lights.
Some news in the winter. You know, backyard and there's not a thing you can do about it.
You just let them do their thing.
Kelly, could you give this to Lauren and see if she has any objections?
Wait, Texas winter or like?
But no, it rained at my house, right? And so I text my next door neighbors. I said, hey, it's, we don't have any rain. Do you know it only rained at my house?
Judge, can I run to the 175th while they prep my paperwork for Ortega?
Sure.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, he'll need to move back to the box then. All right, and Norman, could you call Mr. McLean?
Yes, he said he was on his way.
All right.
Beautiful, beautiful Christmas.
So there's just. Of course.
You're okay. January for last Saturday. Oh, wow, that's the windy city for this as well. The fiber like. You're breathing on. We have a great time. There's nobody's doing shit. Like with every restaurant. Someone else is sheltering on place. Yeah. Born and raised in Texas. It's close to that is like. Great sounds like America, great park. That's not fun.
Oh, yeah.
What starts as movie talk suddenly reveals a legal mindset. Judges often use everyday stories to explain accountability, a principle that shapes sentencing across U.S. courts. Fair lesson or distraction? Viewers may be divided.
Oh, yeah, 10, sorry.
But we won't be starting at 10. We're going to start whenever they're ready. So we'll just have them get their parking validated and we'll go from there.
Everything changes from here. Casual courtroom chatter ends, and real criminal procedure begins. Under U.S. law, every word before a plea matters. Did you notice the shift? Viewers may feel the tension rising.
Well, no, I told him.
Virtual pictures.
Yes.
Just looking forward to the victim is saying that she's feeling much better. She personally doesn't feel the need to wear the mask unless you were wanting her to have the mask.
Oh, and she's contagious. Yes.
She did, well, she's just saying she feels fine.
Well, but does that mean she's not contagious?
So do you want me to clarify that with you?
Yes.
Okay.
Hi.
Let me know when you all are, oh, we're all ready. Do you have a file stamp?
I always forget.
That's okay.
Artist is considered to.
All right, thank you. All right, court is calling 2026 CR 007192, State versus Fabian Ortega. Can I have parties announced?
Lauren Espinoza for the state of Texas.
And Kelly Piddle for Mr. Ortega.
And are you Mr. Ortega?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review it with your client?
Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Ortega, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Judge, state moves to waive and abandon the punishment enhancement allegation.
No objection.
All right, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate
Yes,
places? You're charged with evading arrest, detention with a vehicle. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Mr. Ortega, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, sir.
If you're not a U.S. citizen by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and reentry. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the prison. There is a $600 fine and there are no applications. Did you understand that as your plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, any such motions?
No.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no
No
contest?
contest, Your Honor.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. State offers State's Exhibit 1 in all attachments.
No objection.
All right, state, you may be excused.
Thank you.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We're asking the court to follow the plea bargain.
All right, who is Danielle Butcher to you?
She was ex-girlfriend when.
All righty. The court will find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 2 years in prison. Give you credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with Danielle Nicole Butcher. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. There's a $600 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because it's plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. How old are you?
I'm 35, man.
Do you want to spend the rest of your life in prison?
No, man, but sadly, I did make mistakes in my life. I was in the process of getting my life in order this recent time. I held a job for about almost 24 months. It was at Sonic. The Sonic got closed down, and that's kind of where I started wavering down a little bit.
But here's the thing. These
no
are not
excuses.
mistakes, though.
Yes, ma'am.
These are choices. You
Yes, ma'am.
can say you made bad choices in your life.
I was.
So when are you going to start making the correct choices? Because otherwise, you know what's going to end up happening to you? And you're at an age where the years start flying by. Next thing you know, birthday is here
Yes, ma'am.
and you're another year older.
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't start changing, you're going to spend the rest of your life in prison. And I'm going to tell you what I told people before. Guess what? At the prison, if they say, you know what, this cell or this prison can only hold, hypothetically, let's say they say we can only hold 20,000 people. If we get more than $20,000, if it's just one extra person, we won't be able to fit them in here. It's a fire hazard. It's inhumane. Guess what they're going to say? Well, this one person needs to be in prison. They're going to find a place for you at the prison.
Yes, ma'am.
It always happens.
Yes, ma'am.
And there is no politician who will come out and stand up and say, you know what? There's too much overcrowding. Let's make this more humane. You know why they don't do that? Because citizens who have never toured the prison, never toured the jail, you know what they say? It's not supposed to be a Holiday Inn. It's not supposed to be a picnic.
Yes, ma'am.
People are supposed to suffer at the jail and at the prison because they did wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you continue on this vein, you're going to spend the rest of your life in somebody's prison.
I understand.
Don't be that person, okay?
No, ma'am. Thank you. God bless
All
you.
right, good luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
And
God
take
bless you.
advantage of whatever they're offering there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All righty. If y'all can put the other inmate on hold.
Okay.
For Mr. McLean.
Solana?
And then we will bring the jurors in.
Well, they went downstairs till 10.
So 10, okay. So we'll bring you back today.
Huh?
I know.
So who is the prosecutor conferring with David McLean? Right, if y'all can call him and confer over the phone with him and see what's going to happen with this case.
just a lecture, it was a legal warning. The judge reminds the defendant that repeated choices can lead to harsher consequences under U.S. sentencing laws. Tough justice or needed reality check? Viewers may feel conflicted.